Hello, I will show you in this video a new easy open work knit with a laconic texture. This stitch is very similar to the one in the link you will see in the upper right corner of the video. At its core is this well-centered shape that looks like rabbit ears and is made by pulling up loops from between the stitches. I'll show you exactly how. The scheme consists of 2 loops and 2 rows. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side, we work with the loops in pairs. In this row, we make 4 loops from 2. The right hook enters between the loops from back to front, the thread is in front. Repeat, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, purl 2 together. Again, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, purl 2 together. Continue knitting like this until the end of the row. Row 2 right side, the number of loops now is double. Repeat, knit 2 together through the front. Again, knit 2 together through the front. Again, knit 2 together through the front. Continue knitting like this until the end of the row. I have presented you with an easy version of the rabbit ears knit, a laconic open work, an ideal choice for clothes and accessories for the summer season. I highly recommend it. Thank you for being together. If you like this video, press the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit with love and be happy. See you soon.